My neighbors, on today's episode, we're making plantain and noodles with a twist. You may have tried this recipe, and it could also mean that you haven't tried it before. So, come with me as I show you how to make this. By the way, I have perfected my noodles recipe and I have so many ways of making noodles. So, for today, we're going to add in our noodles into a pan of water together with our plantains, and we're going to allow this to come to a boil. I didn't allow this to cook for so long. This was about like 5 minutes after I added my noodles and plantain. I'm going to drain this out. In my pan, I'll go in with my oil. I'll go in with some fresh tomato and onion. I'm going to fry this for about 2 minutes so that my tomato dries up a bit. When I am done frying this, I'll go in with my egg. I used 1 egg for this recipe. Go ahead and use as many as you want for your own recipe. I'll fry this. I didn't salt my egg and I didn't add any seasoning to my egg too because I'll be going in with extra seasoning for my noodles later on in this video. When this is fried, I'll go with my noodles and plantain, go with some fish. This fish has been seasoned and fried. I'll go with my seasoning. This seasoning contains my noodle spice, some ginger and garlic spice, some chicken spice, and some curry powder. Okay, so I'll gently combine this together. I will fry this on low heat so that it cooks very well. The last ingredient, my key secret spice to every delicious noodles that I make, is this soy sauce, and I don't like to go on with so much. Just a little bit of this flavor will take your noodles to cloud nine. So I'll go ahead and stir this together, and guys, this noodle is ready. This breakfast is so easy to make. You can have this as lunch. You can also have it as dinner. Serve with any fruit juice of choice. You can also have it with chilled water. Enjoy. Your family will thank you for this recipe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Catch ya. Bye, neighbors.